Your car's engine needs the right mix of air and fuel to run smoothly. A vacuum leak happens when too much air sneaks into the engine from a cracked hose or loose part. Here are some simple and easy ways to help you find them. One of the easiest signs is a hissing sound from the engine bay. When your car is running, open the hood and carefully listen for a steady hissing or sucking noise. This could be air escaping from a leak. Inspect all vacuum hoses visually. Check for cracks, holes, or disconnected lines. Pay attention to areas near the intake manifold and throttle body. With the engine running, carefully spray carb or brake cleaner near suspect hoses and gasket areas. If the engine RPM changes, that area may have a vacuum leak. Be careful, use this in a well-ventilated area and avoid spraying on hot parts. The PCV valve can get stuck open, or the hose can crack. Check its condition and replace if it looks old or damaged. A smoke machine is a professional tool that pushes smoke into the vacuum system. If smoke escapes from anywhere, that's where the leak is. Many mechanics use this for a fast and accurate check. Leaks can happen at the gasket, where the intake manifold meets the engine. Look for signs of damage or listen for hissing around that area. Connect a vacuum gauge to a vacuum line. A low or unstable reading can indicate a vacuum leak or engine problem. Air can leak where the throttle body connects to the intake. Remove and inspect the gasket, and replace it if it looks worn out. Gently run your hands near hoses and gaskets. Sometimes you can feel air being pulled in, especially in a quiet environment. The brake booster uses engine vacuum. Inspect the vacuum hose connected to it. If it is cracked or loose, it can cause a leak and affect braking too. The exhaust gas recirculation system is also connected to vacuum lines. Check the valve and its hoses for leaks. A vacuum leak often causes rough idling or stalling when the engine is cold. If your car shakes or stalls right after starting, a vacuum leak could be the reason. If your engine is idling too high or too low, it could be due to a vacuum leak. A steady high idle is often a sign that extra air is entering the engine somewhere. Sometimes leaks attract dirt or dust. If you see oily or dusty spots around vacuum hose connections, inspect those areas carefully. They could be leaking. Finding a vacuum leak doesn't always require expensive tools. Fixing them early helps your car run smoother, saves gas, and prevents bigger problems down the road.